Hey everyone, welcome to my channel Initial Solution. Today in this tutorial I'm going to show you how to turn on commands on YouTube. So for this tutorial, don't skip the video. Before this video, if you still don't subscribe to our channel, then please subscribe to our channel and don't forget to hit the bell icon for more upcoming videos. So let's get started. So first you need to open Google browser and go to your youtube.com. So this is my newly made channel. So go to your videos option here. Okay, wait for a second. Okay, now this is my one and only video. So okay, now go to it and scroll down. So I'll show you one thing here. If I go to my YouTube video, now you can see there is an option of comment. So everyone comment on this video. So if I go back to it and scroll down, and if I check it, yes, it made for kids, check it and save it. Okay, now go for this video again and refresh it. So you can see there is no option for command. uh, so this is how you can turn off commands on YouTube. So guys, if you find this video helpful, then please like, comment and share. Subscribe to our channel and don't forget to hit the bell icon for more upcoming videos. Thank you.